Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install how to install Kali Linux in your PC. I'm not teaching how to install in a virtual box, but I'm going to teach you how to install Kali Linux in a practical and an advanced way in your PC or in a desktop. Okay. First of all, today I'm going to show you how to install the Kali Linux by using the bootable USB drive. I'm not showing by the live CD installation, but today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux by bootable USB drive. For this, you need one pen drive, USB drive I mean, and ISO file of Kali Linux, whether it is a 64-bit or it is 32-bit, and application or a software which helps to make a bootable USB drive. Okay, for this, let's come in our business. At first, open your browser and go to kali.org. I'll give this link on the description, no need to worry about it. And go for download and go for download Kali Linux. Okay, like this you can find here Kali Linux 64-bit, Kali Linux 32-bit, 2018.1. Its version is, and it is of nearly 3 GB. And after downloading this, you can download universal USB installer. I'll give this link on the description, so no need to worry about it. Just be assured that you are connected to the network. Okay, it is just of 1.7 MB. You can download this very easily. Okay, let me little bit describe about the Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Debian based Linux distribution designed for penetration testing. Okay, it provides more than 600 tools for the ethical hacking. Kali Linux is generally used by the ethical hackers. Kali Linux is a new generation of the industry, leading backtrack Linux penetration testing and security auditing. Kali Linux is mostly used by the hackers, as we know that, for penetration testing. It is a best, and it is one of the complex Linux. It is a it is generally used for developing and hacking. Okay. After downloading these two files, just go to the folder where you have kept your universal USB installer. I'm going to that. Let's wait for it. Okay, just go to the folder. Okay, right here I have kept your universal USB installer. I'm going for yes. Okay, and I agree and go for create. Choose your operating system. I mean Kali Linux name. You can find penetration and testing OS like here. Kali Linux, and go for browse the file. Okay, I have kept it here. So operating systems 2018. Okay, right here. This is my 2018.1 Kali Linux. Go for show all drives format and just create. For now, for me, it's not compulsory to create because I have already created bootable USB drive. So for me, for now, none to create it. So it may take 14 to 15 minutes. You have to keep patience until then. Okay, let's talk about partitioning. Okay, just right click and go for manage. Okay, disk management, and you can create allocated space by deleting the partition, or you can wait. Or you can wait until the partitions are loaded by the Kali Linux while installation. Okay, I'm going to install in this partition. It is not allocated, but it is a primary partitioning. I will delete this partition while installing the Kali Linux in the further steps. Okay, I'm not doing anything for now. If you have allocated space, then you can leave it. For me, it's not compulsory. I'll create a partition by deleting this in the further steps. Okay, let's close this one, and now I'm going to restart my PC. You also start. Okay, after restarting your PC, you turn your boot setup key. In my case it is escape, so I'm going for it. Okay, after that an option will be appear here to choose your USB drive. Okay, in my case it is, I'm going for here like this, and now it will be loaded. Okay, like this you can find right here. just go for this last one, advanced options. Okay, go for back, sorry. uh, you can go through this graphical installation. If expert install is not available, then if expert installation is available, then you can go for the advanced installation and expert advanced options and expert installation. But here it is not available, so I'm going for the graphical installation. It's quite easy. Then complete text or something others primitive installation process. So wait for some minutes until the file is loaded in your PC. You should have patience to install this. Okay, like this it will appear after some times. So you should have patience. Go for English because my it is English. I'll choose the United States, whatever it is for now. Okay. Um, the problem is start room was not in your drive, so you can go for no. If it show this message, then again hit on this, and you should take out your pen drive. I mean, you should take out your pen drive and you should insert it again after 3 4 seconds. Okay, I'm going to do same. Okay, I did that same. I've taken out my USB drive and I've inserted again and I have hit enter. Then my installation continue. Okay, you should also do same if that error message appear. So okay, let's go for now. What you call continue right here, like this, and wait for some minutes. Okay, be aware that if that CD-ROM message is shown again, then you have to take it out your USB drive and you have to just insert it again after 3 4 5 6. So okay, 3 4 5 6 any seconds, I mean 3 4 seconds you can go and you can insert it and you can hit enter and you can continue the installation if that error message is shown again. Okay, you should have patience until the additional components are loaded, and you should be quite okay, detecting a hardware network hardware. You should have patience. Okay, let's go for now. Wait, and you should have patience until again next message is on here. Okay, now it is. Just have patience. Configuring the network with DHCP. Okay, it is quite important here. After this, the partition will be loaded. Okay, the partition is loading after this step. Okay, go for continue and go for this because in this time at the moment we don't want to connect to a network, so I'm going for this. Otherwise you can go for this or something else options, and if you go for this one configure network manually, then the installation time will be increases. So better this time you should go for this last one option. Go for continue and your host name, whatever you call. I'm sorry, I'm going for my name. Okay, right here. Okay, you could password anything, whatever you go. Okay, it is the password which is required while open your computer or when your computer is locked. So you should remember this. Okay, Eastern region I'm from Asia, so I'm from Eastern. Okay, this is the main, I mean one of the important phase of this installation. Okay, you should wait until all the disks are loaded successfully. Okay, loading additional components like this, starting up the installing. Okay, let me show you this installation process in Ningon. It is only available after the Kali 2016.1. Okay, and this is the Kali 2018.2, so 2018.1. So it is a new version. It is at the present time, so um, you better watch this. Okay, from this video you can install the Kali 2016.1 and above versions. Okay, I'm going to this one, so it is already created, and I'm going to install in this. uh, okay, I'm going to install this because it is ext2, and I have to first of all to install in this partition. We should go for here continue, and let me go back and go for this delete this partition at first, because it's not allocated, so I have to delete it first to make it as a new partition. So let me go for continue and create a partition right here, and a whole entire disk I'm going to use, so I'm going for continue, and I'm going to create is a primary partition. Okay, it is a mount point is already created, so no need for me to create a mount point, so I'm going for done setting up the partition. Okay, this is the sign which shows that it is the Kali Linux is going to install in this partition. I created already the swap area for this, so you can create swap area, otherwise you can leave it. It is not compulsory to create a swap area, so I'm going to there finishing finish partition and right change to disk. So I'm going for this continue, and I'm going to create this one. Okay, now it is formatting the partition. Okay, it is formatting the partition. That's it, may take 1 to 2 minutes, don't worry, it won't take it. Okay, now the system is installing.